Hey guys, it's Jen, and I am getting our motorhome ready to go on a fishing trip. So, I just came out and wiped everything down. I still need to make the bed. I wiped the bathroom down. I need to do the tub still. Wiped the little kitchen area down, and now I've got the task of carting stuff from the house in here to get ready to go. Hey guys, it's Jen, and we are off on a little adventure. Girls are playing cards. The doggies are with us. We had to leave my cat at home because my cat's nocturnal and he would not let us sleep, but he's mad at us for leaving him. And we had to leave him outside because he'd probably tear up my house.
Because he's a cat.
But he's my sweet baby that I love.
Yeah.
So, anyway, so we are off. We're going to a lake and we're going to go fishing. And it'll be fun. But I showed you guys yesterday what the place looked like when I was cleaning it. So, I don't know if you can see back there. The bed's all made.
What's rattling?
We're all moved in the pots and pans, I think. We've got all our stuff in here. Even got my laptop so I can do a little work if I need to. So.
Airbags are on the bus.
Airbags are on the bus. He changed it like in 2 hours yesterday.
Yeah, it went. The key is a Sawzall, motorcycle tire tools, and bicycles.
Motorcycle tire tools, huh? All right. There's our friends. Okay, it's so weird to see such blue water in the middle of the desert, but there it is. So once we got camp set up, the guys wasted no time and they took the girls out on the boat to fish.
Doing the next one.
Sit. Stand. Are you cutting the fishes?
So how many of these did the girls catch?
Several.
Yeah, I probably put one in.
I only put one in.
The little one? Let's see. This technical advisor right here.
Where'd you get your gloves, babe?
Up on top, as soon as you walk in.
That Sam's fish, the little guy?
This is the technical advisor. Oh, believe me, he was trying to technically advise me out there.
Oh, was he?
On my boat.
Was he? And that's the walleye.
Sit down, fish. So, I thought it looks like you've done this once or twice.
Twice.
Third time?
So this is probably the third time.
Ready?
See? Por eso nos invitan.
Oh,
Oh.
for what?
You're holding the bag, she's holding the camera. Who's doing all the work?
Oh.
You are?
I'm holding it back too. I am doing double.
No, he's saying no. We're just standing around.
I'm gonna make you a YouTube star.
I'm gonna promote your new something.
She was the
perfect
catcher.
answer.
She was the catcher of the
Riley,
fish.
the perfect answer would have been, I catch 2 fish at a time.
Look in the camera and say it. I catch 2 fish at a time.
I catch two.
Her lying fish story. I catch 3 fish at a time.
I catch 2 fish at a time.
This guy's a guy.
That lot of stuff, right? Hey, Crosby. Hi, Rabu. Hi, Rabu. Crosby, look at Mama. Hi, Rabu. Crosby. Hey, hi, Rabu.
I love.
Hi, Rabu. Hi, Rabu.
Crosby. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Hi, Rabu. Hi, Rabu.
I love you.
Who's the cutest boy ever? Crosby, who's the cutest boy ever?
Kaiser?
He's over here chewing on his bone.
No, he's right here telling Mama he loves her.
Mom, is that Kaiser?
No, it's not Kaiser. Why would Kaiser be
Yeah,
on?
Kaiser sent us a selfie. You're doing well, he says. Everything's great. He says,
Show me
don't
the
worry
picture.
about me. He says, I'm stuck.
All right, guys. So this is the day we go home. I have not vlogged a lot, but the girls, did you enjoy your fishing experience?
Yes. Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much did you like it?
10.
Harper?
10.
Who caught the most fish on the boat out of all the men?
Out of all the men.
Out of everybody. Riley did. She's our fisher girl.
She caught 2 fish at once.
Yeah, she caught 2 fish on one line.
I think I have that on video
Oh, really?
or a photo of it.
I'm not gonna help with turtle.
You won't help your fraternal? Do you want your home?
No. So we're walking down to the beach to collect some seashells or some shells.
Ooh. Now this is easy. But now oh! I see the shells are way up here. Yep, awesome.
How cold is that water?
It's cold.
Oh, yeah, it's cold. What do you think, Cross?
He likes the water.
The bubbles over here. The shells will be underwater too.
Okay.
Very good.
Now when it's like this,
Well, you ate fish out of this water.
My shells are even on my flip-flops.
Harper, do you know?
Hey, is this a shell? Yep, this is a shell.
Rocks are okay because I like that.
Not a shell.
Shells.
Yep.
There's only seafood.
Seaweed?
My feet aren't frozen anymore. When you first step in it, like, it goes like, whoa. Yeah, that's big. Ooh la la. That's in the water, right?
Like little rabbits running down the chute.
Mom's away.
That one looked like a jackrabbit. Did Crosby go in there?
That's the gray water.
Crosby didn't like that comment very much.
All right, what are we doing? I mean,
Been an adventure.
yes, it has.
It's been at least a $500 adventure with fishing guide services. So whenever you guys are ready, just
Well,
come
we
on
cut you a
out.
check, $350.
Well, yeah, but that was the tip. That was the tip. Come on out to Elephant Butte, New
No,
Mexico. Truth and
The
Consequences.
tip is
Come on out.
always use disposable
I'm
gloves.
trying to
when-
do it.
Oh,
Come on.
yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
I don't know where I was at. Where was I? Cut. Retake.
No, do it
Make
again.
up.
Do it. No, go. Do it again. Do it again.
Come on out to Truth and Consequences, New Mexico, and okay. Cut. Cut. Start over. Aren't you supposed to be on the other side of the camera?
No, I'm over here. Go ahead.
Okay. Come on out. Are we on?
Yep.
All right. Where was I?
Truth and Consequences Guide Service.
That's it. Come on out to Truth and Consequences, New Mexico. We'll bring you out, catch some fish, white bass, walleye. We release a lot of walleye before they get to the boat. We take Russians, Afghans. Y también si quieren venir a pescar, vengan para la pesca. Aquí agarramos de todo. Agarramos whitefish, white bass. Agarramos black bass
Y Parangarico Tirimigo.
también. Y did I mention $250 for 5 hours? They went
You
6
mentioned
or
it a
7
lot on the
hours.
boat.
Yeah. And the tip. Tip.
Almost like you wanted me to pay you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was funny.
No, really, yeah.
Yeah, I know it really was funny.
So anyway, let's go. Wrap it up. That's a wrap. Make up.
Okay, we are leaving the lake. This is us leaving. We've had a great time. Lots of fish catching, some fish
Only
eating.
3 fish, we caught 23 fish.
And how many did the men catch of those?
We caught our fair share.
The little girls did most
caught,
of
I
it.
think they caught more.
Yep. Riley, the blonde one, caught most of the fish.